We have arrived, people. Welcome back, everyone. Today is a different day, so I thought I would log it. It is Wednesday, September 23rd, and I do not have my regular job. However, I am going to a radio station for the first time for a small photo shoot. So I thought I would vlog it because any day that is not normal is worth vlogging to me. So that's why I'm doing it on Wednesday. Hold on, it's a bit nippy out here. Be right back. There you go. That's better. Whew. That's more comfortable. And we're gonna have to change the spot because if you can hear it, lawnmowers. Time to find a different place where we can talk a little bit peacefully. Hopefully there is no more. Much better and quieter. Surprise, surprise, a vlog on Wednesday. I bet you guys didn't expect that, huh? Hopefully as long as I'm able to post it today as well, that is. But I should be able to. So hope you guys enjoy. So I only have so much time. I have to be at the location by 9:30 latest, and it is 8:37 right now. So I'm gonna be quick about explaining how I came about this opportunity. So Evan is a functional health coach, speaker, and an author. I met him through one of my other friend, Graham. I'll include both of their Instagram links in the description below if you guys want to check them out. Really knowledgeable people in their areas. But so even recently, or Coach Ev is how he's known most of the time. So Coach Ev recently became a radio broadcaster as well, and his show is on Wednesdays at 10 a.m. On station WWDB 860 AM. And he also created his own website recently, which you'll be able to find through his Instagram. So I recommended to him that we should get some photo of him so we can update his pictures on his website, because the ones he was using were pretty old from his older events that he had spoken at and stuff like that. So that's what I recommended, and he agreed to it, and so that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna go down to the radio station and capture some of the photos while he's speaking. I believe he has a guest as well today, so that's gonna be pretty cool. But I'm very nervous. Never been to a radio station. I don't know how much my camera shutter noise is gonna bother him, or if I can combat that somehow. But it should be a pretty cool opportunity, and I'm grateful for it. But I thought I should make a vlog out of it and take you guys along, and that's what we're doing. By the way, new jacket. Seek discomfort. I like it. Always wanted this kind of jacket, so I finally got it. But that's what we are up to today. called out from work today. We're not busy at work anyway, so it's not gonna hurt the company. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Peace. Next time I'll probably talk to you is from the car or at the radio station. Peace. Arrival time 9:30 a.m. Just got a text saying he won't arrive until 9:40, so that's perfect. Puts me 10 minutes earlier than the time I need to be there. It's always good to be early, on purpose or by accident. And we have arrived, people. There you go, that's better. Yeah, we have arrived. Evan is still not here, but he said he'll be here by 9:40, so that's not a problem. It's always good to get to your locations a bit earlier than right on time, because if you're on time, you're late. Military thinking. By the way, I have no idea if I'll be able to capture any kind of footage inside the building while it's recording. So I don't know if you'll be able to see anything. I will try my best. So that was a whole lot of fun. I was pretty nervous, I'm gonna be honest, because I didn't know how much noise was transferring through the mic. Yeah, but I don't know if you guys, I don't know if I showed it, but I was able to capture some of the footage from inside the studio. I don't think I got any sound or anything like that, but just to have the feeling that we were inside, I captured a little bit of footage. But yeah, now I'm heading home. There's one more thing I want to do. If I get to do it, I will show it to you guys. If not, then this is the end of the vlog. Short and sweet. Peace. And as always, I know I'm gonna forget to say this at the end, so I'm gonna say it now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. It is not only vlog, I also will be reviewing some of the equipment I have that I use to vlog and shoot events. And like and leave a comment if you like this video. Share, that would be really helpful as well. But yeah, thank you for your support, truly appreciate it. Peace.